Meanwhile, leaders in some of our South Carolina towns say growth is strong and will only get stronger. WCNC Charlotte's Indira Esquiva learned how they are adapting while still dealing with the challenges of the pandemic.
Yes, these towns are adapting to the growth while managing the lingering challenges in schools and in hospitals from the effects of COVID-19.
Lots of healthcare workers develop PTSD. Lots of nurses stop practicing. In addition to that, everybody else wants healthcare, surgeries, etc. So the demands on every hospital in America have exceeded capacity.
Piedmont Medical Center CEO Mark Nasaka sharing at a community breakfast gathering the reality hospitals are dealing with right now. He said there are more people dying in hospitals right now than during the first wave of the pandemic, and 85 to 90% of those dying are unvaccinated. Healthcare workers are having to make tough decisions related to care.
Here's what we have to do. We have to run an emergency room. We have to treat the COVID patients safely so everybody else doesn't get sick. We have to deliver babies. And we have to do emergency surgery. That's what we have to do. Everybody else, we've got to triage and decide, can we slow down care to accommodate for all those emergencies first.
But there is help on the way. Fort Mill Medical Center, an extension of Piedmont Medical Center, will soon open with 380 employees. The medical center was a big need in a community that is rapidly growing. The superintendent of the Fort Mill School District, Chuck Epps, pointing out major growth in the area. In 1995, the district had 3,500 students and 4 school sites. Today, there are nearly 18,000 students with 20 school sites.
So really the challenge that this school district has faced has been one of building schools, building capacity for all these new students.
Dr. Epps says the district will put a new referendum on the ballot in the next few years. Now, the Fort Mill School District geographically is one of the smallest in the state, but it's also one of the fastest growing. In York County, Indira Esquiva, WCNC Charlotte.